Yo, I'm about to use my own created team in
Next, it's time
Dynasty.
to select your rosters.
So let's get to
Choose
it.
to use the latest EA Sports recommended rosters. Now it's time to
All right, so we
customize
got
your
import team
Dynasty
builder.
experience. Choose your settings, import your
So
team
this
builder
team, right?
created
I made.
teams, and
Okay, so
customize your
I'm trying to think what
conferences
team.
complete with.
So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. And here they are, St. Paul Angels. Use the team builder roster. And yeah. And then I don't think I want to stay in the MAC conference. I feel like that'd be too easy. But also I don't want to make it too hard. So like, I might stay in MAC. You know what? Yeah, sure. Why not? Nah, yeah, nice. Okay, cool. I'll do that. Because when I did this before, I think it's like the third time I've made this, but the first time I had to restart, so I forgot what happened. Second time I did it, and now this is the third time, and I want to do it with y'all. So, yeah. Go ahead and look at Dynasty settings. Yeah, do 5 minutes, because I don't want y'all sitting here for a minute like that. Alright, cool.
It's now time to select your team. Do you want to build a team from the ground up or take over an established contender? Pay attention to each team's prestige, and now you'll choose where to
Bruh,
start
I
your
don't know.
journey
Do I
as a
want to do
coach.
that? Alright, I
Head
don't know, y'all.
coaches
What
progress
conference should I
against
do?
goals on both sides of the ball, while coordinators will only progress
I
on
don't
their
want to do like a
respective
crazy good
side.
one, but like, I
Whichever
don't
role
know.
you choose, you
I don't
will have
want to
new
do Mac, because
opportunities
that seems like a
provided
little
to
too
you
easy.
during the season via the coaching carousel based on how your team fares through the year.
I think Conference USA. Okay, cool. Yo, is it good? What the flip? Yo? Oh, okay. I was about to say, what the flip? Head coach.
Here, you'll choose to create a... Now it's
Create
time
new.
to
Alright,
choose your
let's get
coach
to it. We
archetype.
gotta do
Your
recruiter,
starting choices
because
are
we trying to
motivator,
recruit. We
recruiter,
trying to build
and
this program
tactician.
from the ground up. Come
What
on.
is the most important thing to you? Acquiring players, maximizing player development, or putting your team in the best position to succeed?
Oh shit. Not my real name. Shoot, that would have been bad if I put my first and last name. I don't know what y'all be up to. But we got close there. That was close. Alright, boom, Mr. D-Flow. Alma mater. Let's just put MN, Minnesota, because that's where I'd be from. Alright, same for Pipeline, Minnesota. Alright, go ahead and do that. And we're good to go. Okay.
Congratulations. It's time to
How long
sign
they been
your
in the
first coaching contract. Make sure to pay attention to the
04?
expectations of the role. These are based
What bowl
on
is that?
real-life historical records
Retired
of the
bowl?
school.
That's crazy work.
Failing to meet the university's
Or maybe
expectations
that means it's just not a
will
real
land
bowl
you
game
on
anymore
the
or something
hot seat
crazy like
and
that.
potentially have you looking for a new job when the coaching carousel rolls around.
Mayo bowl, Mayo potato bowl? I don't know. Ventures bowl? But, alright. Sign contract. Make a bowl game? Alright, that's crazy. How am I supposed to... What? I don't have job safety. That's... Okay. We're gonna have to make a bowl game the first year? What the flip? That's not cool. Well, I hope I don't get fired. Okay. Jesus help me. Let's go by star rate. Okay. All right, we got 2 4-stars. They're both O linemen, but they want to come here, so we'll take it. All right, let's just take a look at I might want to go after like 1 5-star. Just try it out. Who? Probably not Paris Garrett, because I probably won't be able to get him. Yeah, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not gonna try that yet. I think I might. You know what? I'll try going after the DT, because I think I can maybe do that. Alright, let's go ahead and look at find a 4-star QB halfback and Jason Carry-On. Cool. Looks cool. Halfback. Anthony Heel. Sure. And then a wide receiver. I want a deep threat. Alright, that's a deep threat. And the rest of these are runners. No, I'll take 1 route runner. Clint Vaughn. No, I don't want. No, not Vaughn. Mustafa Thrash. Yeah. And then Julius Abiamiri. Cool. Kenyon Dunham. Boom, 20 targets. Go ahead and give these guys all a ship. And yeah. I don't know how we're going to make a bowl game, though. This seems like a 67 overall, but we're going to have to figure it out, because I'm not trying to get fired, so... I'm just going to have to ball out in the games that I play. Which, speaking of, let me look at the schedule so I can determine which ones I want to play. Look at the schedule. I hope I don't have to play against FCS. I really hope I can depend on my team to win that game. I would really hope so. How did they not have a record last year? What? I'm just trying to find the best teams in our schedule. Liberty. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play the Liberty game for sure. Okay, so we'll play the Liberty game. We'll probably play the Western Kentucky game. And... hold on. Shoot. I don't know. I'll decide that later on, based on, my recruiting, scheduling visits and stuff. Alright, advanced week. Alright, so I do gotta tell y'all, I did give us a few good players. So let's go ahead and take a look at let's take a look at the roster. Let's take a look at the roster. Now, QB, not looking great. If Nobles gets injured, we're cooked, because our backup quarterback's a 41 overall. So let's just hope Nobles doesn't get injured. Now our running back, this is probably gonna be one of our best players. He's got 97 speed. That's what's up. We got fullback 62 overall. And then at wideout, you got Ivan Berry. He don't look too crazy, but him and Tolles both got 97 speed. It's a fast lineup. That's really what we got. But besides that, they can't really do much else but run. But we also got some big hitters on defense. I'm pretty sure we got some decent people on defense. Yeah, we got Quentin Luther. He's pretty fast for a linebacker, but his hit power is what's up. He's got a 97 hit power. Good. And then corner, we got one. This is our last good player, which is going to be Kayvon Justice, which is a white man. Yeah. Okay. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, quarterback is not looking great. We're probably going to have to run the ball a lot. Yep. That's something. That's something. All right, QB. Look, man, you're coming to the school. I'm trying to get you here. Let's look at the scouting report. All right, he's got 5 traits. Cool. Antoine Peel, I'm gonna keep it a buck. If you come here, okay, you're pretty good. What the freak? Well, you might actually be able to overtake what's his name, the running back, after like a year or two. Okay, well, not going great on the scouting for corners. Okay. So the first game we're gonna be playing is gonna be week 3. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and sit this game against Akron. Hopefully we can win against Akron, but ours is 67 overall, so we'll see. Yep, alright, 0-1. Not cool, not great, not what you want to see. Alright, please! Oh, I want to see the overall difference between us and FCS. Wait, what? They have a better offense than us. We have a worse offense than FCS school. Alright, that's cool. Good thing our defense is good, decent. Our defense is 71 overall. Our defense is probably as good as Iowa's offense is. Okay, that might not be true. That's kind of crazy. But you get what I'm saying. We're chopped. On offense, at least. Defense is not horrific. The defense I can get with. It's really important. At least he's not a bust. Okay. Alright, cool. I think I'm gonna go for... I'm not sure, honestly. He's got better speed and acceleration by a little. Man, that's tough. That's actually a close one. I'm just gonna... Sheesh, I don't even know for real. Okay. Alright, please do not lose to FCS Midwest. Please. If we lose to FCS Midwest, that's crazy. Why does it still say 0-1? We're 1-1. We beat FCS Midwest. Let's go. Woo! Probably shouldn't be that happy about being an FCS school, but, you know, we're taking what we can take here. Alright, let me throw these QB strips. Okay, we're first for Antoine Peel. That's awesome. Yo, let me look at the report again, because... Setting extended break tackle on the elusive back isn't too bad. Okay. Okay, we're first on Cameron Rowe. We're not doing too bad recruiting here, but okay, let's take a look here. Alright, not bad. Can we beat Sam Houston? They're 0-2. Come on. Did we beat them? No, we did not. Alright. Okay, first game up against Western Kentucky. Ooh. Well, they're definitely better than us. By 10 overalls, so not great, not looking great off rip.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. We are surrounded by pageantry and tradition, and it's
Kick,
clear
run,
to see
burn.
that
Let's get cooking here.
will be at its best today.
Let me know what y'all think of the
Just about
jerseys.
set to kick it away. And he hauls it in, and everybody's on the edge of their
Oh.
seats.
Oh, okay. Not a horrible return. All right, let's get cooking. We got Caleb Nobles.
Okay, so here comes the offense for the first
His
time
throw power
today.
and speed ain't bad, but I'm pretty sure I gave him
Comes, guys.
not good accuracy. I think that's why he's not like a higher overall. His accuracy is not great.
His ability. He's got such great field
Come on,
vision.
Hooks.
He's
Ethan
got
Hooks.
it all.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
TV. Let's not get it twisted. People show up to this stadium.
But the team, they got fast dudes, so I might be able to get some deep bombs in here.
On first down, it's 2nd and 9. He lobs one high down the left side.
Yup. Ivan Berry.
It's in there.
Boom. Let's go. We cook it. Nice start. That's what we like to see. Come on.
Start the game and set the tone early.
It's so nice to have a quarterback just get himself into the game.
Nice way to start it off right there. Okay, that's what we like to see right there, man.
Down the field, you score right off the bat.
But yeah, as I thought, we do not have our stadium. I don't know how to do that, but it's alright.
Touchdown drive. Looking for an alley from inside his own 10. Really disciplined job by the coverage unit to get down there and make the stop at the 19. So Western Kentucky's offense has its first opportunity of the day.
Yeah, pretty sure 85 is the highest overall player I have on the team, so.
David, what do you look for to make an impact from your
I only think I have 380 overalls because I think my other corner.
They got to step up and make plays on the
Oh shoot! Okay, not great. Dang, he boomed that dude though.
Really good job of it.
Yeah, David, and they also generally set
Kayvon
the tone
Justice.
for their respective football teams, regardless of which side of the ball.
Very
they
black
play
man for a
on.
very white
Their
man.
Teammates look towards them to step up in big games like this.
Yeah, run defense isn't looking great, but with our corners, we have an 87 and 80 corner, so the pass game should be at least somewhat manageable to play on here with this team.
wide receiver now comes in motion.
But if they just run it, I forgot to show y'all our D lineman. Where is he actually? I have a D lineman that's not bad. I forgot. Let me show y'all him. Because I gave us like some decent players, so that way our team isn't horrible off for it. But did he get injured? He got injured while we were subbing. Okay, cool. But he's an 85 overall. I completely forgot about him. He just has a really good hit power, though. I'm pretty sure that's literally it. That's pretty. Well, maybe not literally it, but like. And he's got 91 hit power and 94 power moves and 93 finesse moves, 97 block shedding, 95 pursuit. Like he's a DT. But he's injured, so without him in, we're not gonna be able to stop the pass game. I mean the run game. That's why it's even worse than I would think.
Late in the ball games, they tend to turn into bigger runs.
Pulls it in.
Oh well, not a great effort there. He said, he's getting juked out like that.
That is a statement play. Man, this is a guy who just seems to get better as the game goes on. What a run getting his offense down close to the goal line.
So nice creating explosive runs in the run game. Now you're getting in the red, inside the 5. Go punch this in and get a touchdown.
They'll put the
We should definitely be blitzing.
They'll dial up the run on 1st and goal.
Dang, okay.
Into the end zone he goes. Touchdown, WKU. Precision blocking up front. Created the open lane, and the running back followed it beautifully.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to follow an offensive line.
Like they got our fans, but they just don't have my stadium. I'm not sure why.
What an unbelievable job blocking up front.
He'll bring it out. It's Madison. Not nearly
Well.
as much as he'd hoped when he brought it out of the end zone.
Okay.
He'll be stopped at the 15. This drive will open from the
Come on,
15.
Hooks. Y'all better block for my boy.
The give to the tailback. Keeps the
Dang,
legs
he said,
moving.
get off me.
Danced his way through traffic. Pick up a 4 to the 19.
All right, we got Barry out there running the post route. He might get open. Let's see.
Now the play fake. Pressure coming. Quarterback moving.
Yep, that not a great throw on that. Yep, that's why he's only a 70 overall. He might have the power, but he does not have the accuracy, it seems.
As a defender, now I'm thinking about the field's cut in half. You don't worry about the other
Okay,
side of the field.
okay,
It's hard to
okay,
throw
Barry.
across your
Okay,
body
Barry.
to
I mean, that's not Barry, that's Hooks. Barry's the receiver. Okay, Hooks.
Now
Not a bad run.
direction of the field where he goes. Great job by the defense understanding that.
Off the play fake on 1st down. To throw.
Holes.
Sends it downfield.
Oh, nice deflection by them. Can't be mad. That was a nice play by the safety. I think that was a safety. Put him on a wheel route.
Couldn't connect on first down. Now back to the air.
Nice way to hold on to it there.
This is exactly why.
Halfback toss. This is risky, but we're gonna do it because why not? Excuse me.
Stresses the defense. What do you want to do? You want to blitz me? Sure. I'm gonna scramble outside the pocket, complete the pass. He's just posing so many problems.
Halfback zone weak. Okay.
And the offense with no intention to draw the defense off sides. They want to run on first down and just couldn't get it to the receiver. Now on second down after the incompletion. Looking downfield, it's Finley. Throws to the wide.
Just not fast enough.
Wide open downfield.
Just not fast enough to get there. Okay. Luther can hit, but he's not fast.
One of the reasons this offense is so exciting to watch, they've got guys that are dangerous after the catch. And if this quarterback gets through his progression, David, he hits you in stride,
well, shoot.
these guys will take it to the house.
Man, it's your job to do the rest, right? You hit me in stride where I don't have to stop running. I don't have to break down. It makes it so easy. The connection between quarterback and wide receiver, you can tell this is a good one, and that's why they got 6 on that play.
Yeah, let's go ahead and lock him. Why? I should have Barry return the kicks because he's so fast. What's Bannister doing back here?
Looking to move it through the air. Turns it loose. And it
Dang,
slips
okay.
through his fingers incomplete. That would have
Barry,
been a huge
just run straight. Like, bro, what? What are we doing? Just run straight. Like, no, don't even run a post. Just go straight. Just go to line. That's all you gotta do, man. Trust me. They're fast. Okay, maybe that wasn't all you had to do. Okay, maybe it was. Come on, Ivan Barry.
It's a beautiful pass and catch. I love the job the quarterback does manipulating the defense with his eyes. He froze that safety, and that allowed his receiver more room to work his route.
Have that counter. It'll do this.
They'll go right back to it.
Okay, let's go, Hooks. That was not a great voice crack. It's just, they're doing better. We're gonna throw it. I don't want to run. I just feel like it's not gonna work. Based on what happened last time, at least. Hey, at least we got them at their own 1. Chance of a safety here.
One thing I love about this linebacker, guys, he's really good against the run,
Pinch
but he's
blitz.
also nice in coverage.
Well, we know they're running it.
Cover 2
They would run it even if they were on the 50.
Playing in space. He's watching the quarterback's eyes. He's able to jump the route and come away with a turnover.
And they'll stop him after a minimal pickup.
We're just going to keep blitzing.
You know, runs like
They like to throw.
oftentimes
I mean, run. So we're just going to keep on blitzing.
Obviously, it's not a knockout punch, but these are body blows. And as the game goes on, these
Just keep on doing it.
are going to turn into longer runs.
Keep on blitzing. Okay, maybe not. Yeah, we'll do man.
Third and short from inside the 20. Looking to throw, it's Finley. Fires to the wideout. He's got an open man.
All right, this is crazy work.
Ran away from everybody on that one. A huge pickup on that play.
Defense is about learning the plays. Third down, what do they like to do?
Not what you want to see here.
So far, the offense having a little bit of success, but the defense now, you got to figure out what they're doing.
Gets it out fast. And they finally get him
Really?
down, but not before.
Come on, bro. What are we
He's got him
doing?
set up for business
What
at
are
the
we
49-yard line. And the Hilltop
I really wish
have
we
their
had our
offense
DC,
in high
man.
gear.
Because without him, we can't really do nothing. Yes! Maybe I was wrong. Lumpkin with the pick.
Not a lot on the return, but they can live
love
with
that.
that as they got it at the 49.
Lumpkin.
The offense lining up for a first down play. Movement here from the tight end. Off the play fake on first down, wants to throw. Nice defensive.
They just were there. They were ready for it.
There and knock it away. The incompletion brings us to 2nd and 10. They'll run play action.
Whoa! That's some balls, bro. That's crazy. Oh, looks like, bro.
looking for a physical attack from the gun. And a good
Bro, I
solid pick up there
can't. This
before the
game,
defense
come
knocks him
on,
down.
dude. Like, this game sometimes it's just crazy. Like,
making it easy for an offensive coordinator. You pick up a bunch of yards on first down, make that second down really, really manageable. That's a great job by the offense.
what? That's some bull. He didn't even get it off. What? Bro, I can't. I can't. The animation. Okay. That's dumb. That's so stupid.
Touchdown, Western Kentucky.
And to have a rushing touchdown of that type of yardage, you've got to be able to make something miss. It's one thing to get into the second level, but can you make that last defender miss? And you saw it on that play. Once he was in the clear with his speed, he was gone.
Ridiculous. I can't with this game sometimes because he did the whole thing, didn't throw it, and then when I tackle him, it throws. Like, what?
And the extra point puts them on
God, that's bogus. Come on now.
That drive took no time at all. Couple of plays and finished it with a long run for the touchdown. On the run from inside his own 5. Just
Man,
never had a
it's
chance to shake
stupid
loose,
sometimes,
and he'll
bro.
be brought down at the 24.
We're not even on the map, but okay.
First play of the drive coming from their own 24. Quick pass on the jet motion.
Maybe I should just let him tackle me.
Stop, and they threw it in reverse, losing yardage on that.
Yeah, let Barry do it. Barry can
Didn't
go.
get much done on that first play of the drive. It's 2nd and 11. Touch pass on the run. Crosses the 35.
Let's go, Barry. Okay.
Run out of bounds, but he has this offense rolling with a first down. Now the quarterback changing the original play call. Comes out throwing on first down. Time to take a shot.
Barry's too quick for him. Come on now.
He's got it and just sashays into the end zone for the touchdown.
No, we finna do it to him. We finna do it to him. All right.
All the way across the field.
Beep.
Forget the kick. He's going to throw it.
Okay, well, that didn't work.
And it's intercepted.
W kicker, though.
About to kick it off after punching it in for the touchdown.
Return it! What are you doing? Come on, return it!
Will come out to the 25-yard line. The Hilltopper offense comes on the field again. You want to talk about answering each other's score? That's what we have going on right now, Jesse.
Yeah, and this offense
Dang.
is impressive just seeing how
I said bang. He really said it. He really did it. He was like, okay, you wanna see it? Bang, I got you, cuz.
every time they take the field.
It's like a tennis match. You're just trying to break serve at some point. Just back and forth. Both offenses having a lot of success in this.
Let's go. Come on. We're locking in on defense. That's what we like to see. Come on.
Give him one. Probably the
I gotta control Luther because this dude laid out the boom, bro.
long ball's at the 25. Back to pass. It's Fenley. They're setting up the screen.
Nice. 4th and 1. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Stop playing with him. Let's go, man. Okay. We locked in right now. That's good to see right there.
They'll have to punt for the first time this afternoon. Hand goes into the air.
All right,
for the
hooks.
fair catch, and the catch is made around the 40. First down here with time for maybe one more play until the 2-minute warning.
Okay. What was that for? All right. 3rd and goal. Do smash play.
This is a money play on 3rd and goal.
Run
This
flat.
offense trying to be physical inside the 5-yard line. I get it, but I tell you what, Palmer.
Trying to get closer, and they knock it
Oh,
free.
you gotta be joking.
Defense covering
Okay.
it up and not letting the offense get it back. It's a turnover.
And this is why a lot of offensive coaches are okay going into halftime trailing, not being too aggressive. Because when you try to make things happen,
He's going for the big play.
Are you serious?
expressway is
Are you serious?
wide open.
Are you serious?
And he'll take
What the
it
flip?
as he got loose. Touchdown, Hilltoppers. No
You want to play like that? We can play like that. We can play like that then. We can do that. We can do that. I'm gonna send burying tolls on the street. Most high ever play. We can do it like that. We can do that. Stop playing. We can do that, then.
Get another touchdown. This
They want to do me like that. They want to do me like that. I'm gonna do them like that.
About to kick it away after scoring the touchdown.
Let's go, Claiborne.
From inside the 10-yard line, he'll bring it back.
That's what's up. Right to the 27. That's what we like to see right there.
25. Let's mark it at the 27-yard line. All right, guys. So
They done. Ooh, I'm upset. I'm upset. Yeah, just run all go. Come on. My boys fast. They fast.
It's important down 2 possessions, Dave, that they're able to score some points. So you got to call your best stuff in this 2 minutes.
He lost it high and deep down the left side.
Right.
And it's knocked away.
They're ready for it. They're ready. No, this can't be.
Well, if at first you succeed,
yeah,
try again. They've already linked
yeah, this is it. This is it. This is one player right here. This is one player right here.
Still in the first half, looking for his go-to guy, but you got to get.
You might be good, but you're not fast enough for my boy Tolls. Stop playing with him. Let's get that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Man, that should spark this whole team. Like, the comeback is more than on now. Like, they got the touchdown. They cut into the lead. You want to get a stop and go into the half, get all the juices, all the excitement. And listen, the passing game's rolling. We got this. The comeback's in full effect.
So they got the touchdown, and as they kick off, really important for the defense to shut them down here.
Denard.
Fielded in the end zone, it's Jefferson. Pulled down.
Lay on them. On them boys. You got boom on. Hit the boost it.
Here comes the Western Kentucky offense back onto the
They want to
field.
run it, bro. It's less than a minute left. We better blitz.
And David, it's sort of like a doctor. First, do no harm.
Do no harm, but also...
Stop playing. Let's go. Come on. Should have had a sack, but Luther missed the tackle, but we still happy.
Some momentum for the other side.
I think a lot of this comes down to your quarterback and whether or not he's making good decisions in this game. If yes, be aggressive. If not, let's just take the lead.
Yeah, let's go. Come on. Locked in on defense. Stop playing with us. We've been ready. We just wasn't trying really earlier, bro. Come on. Okay, that's crazy. That might not be.
Looking for a man. It's Finley. Let's it fly.
Why is he wide?
What did he toast the coverage? Got it deep downfield. He's loose.
What is my defense doing? Come on. What the flip?
And this offense is clicking. Another touchdown. Didn't have to go far for this drive, but this offense is doing what they want, how they want,
I made the kicker.
when they want.
Okay, I missed. I can't even hit the
Let's
kicker.
check in with
Okay.
Kevin Connors in the studio. Kevin?
All right, guys, want to update you on a game that went final moments ago. The Coyotes ran into little opposition as they strolled into town and strolled right back out with hardly a scratch. They laid the wood today. It's one game. You don't want to react too much either way. But
We're doing it again.
Yeah, and because of the pressure, the defense gets pressure on him immediately so quickly that he makes a bad decision, tries to throw it into double coverage. Really nice job pressuring the quarterback up front.
Boom. Okay, cool.
He's run out of bounds, but a big play on that one, and it'll be a first down.
They're pressing Barry and Allen. Okay, that's not. Okay, I thought that was close. But they're pressing Barry.
He's going to pass. Looking
Is Allen Jr. kind of fast, too?
The pass falls incomplete, and there are 8 seconds left.
Well, I like this quarterback being aggressive and taking a shot. There's a better play there.
Okay, Bulls.
Now
I want the tight end to run a post and take the safety with him.
checking the play. On second down, he'll let it fly.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir! Come on!
Inside the 10. Touchdown!
You know, sometimes as a play caller, you just don't have to overthink things. I've got a guy who's faster than your guys, and he's just going to run straight down the field. I'm going to throw it way down the field. He's going to make the catch, and we're going to score a touchdown, and that's pretty much what just happened there.
They want to throw it.
Boom. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on now. So we're still in this. We're still in this. We're still in this, man.
Took only 6 plays. And they finished
Squib.
with a 62-yard pass for the score. Oh, look at Mr. Hands taking the squibber inside the 30. And the returner could find no daylight. He goes down. We played 2 quarters here. Time to go to Kevin Connors in our halftime update.
420 passes.
Fellas,
That's
looks
crazy.
like you got a
Okay.
great scene there
That's crazy
today
work.
in DeKalb. The passing game for both sides has been outstanding. On point.
But yeah, I might remake it twice if y'all give me the same, because I'd have to check up and I'd have to like skip some of it, so I probably have to make it again. But yeah, if y'all tell me how to get the stadium, we'll be good.
Fielded in the end zone. It's Jefferson. Rolling the dice to bring it out of the end zone did not work out as he stopped at the 13.
That was a big hit right there, because we like to see those. We try and get a fumble here, because that'd be pretty good for
They
us.
opened this third quarter on top, and they built the lead on the string. He's going to let one fly down the middle.
Warren!
Taking it the other way.
That's what we like to see. We still in this.
And we know turnover margin is a huge part of winning ball games. Interception number 2. His quarterback has to do a better job taking care of the football. Don't force it. Take the high completion percentage stuff. Don't always try to go for the big play.
Leaves it with the running back.
Jeez, man.
Really nice stop there from this senior leader.
The run game just has not been working for this offense all game.
No, it's not really.
Last play as well. Just not getting
Yep, just not working. Okay, Hooks is good. The O-line just can't block enough for him, so that's really the problem there. Sucks to see that.
It is a long way to the sticks from here. On 3rd and long, he has to throw for it. He chucks one out to the right. And it's a touchdown.
What is it? Is it illegal touching or is it pass interference? Yeah! Alright, I got a little too excited there. I ain't gonna hold y'all, cuz, but come on. That's a tutty.
So not even the pass interference could stop that play. They'll decline the penalty, and they have the touchdown. He'll try to tack on one more. And the extra point.
We back in it. We back in it. It's all tied up, cuz. Come on, stop playing with us. We in this thing, cuz.
Offense on that 3-play scoring drive. And the finisher coming courtesy of that touchdown toss from 45 yards out. He'll bring it out.
I mean, I want to run more, but I just, the O-line is not letting us run it, really.
Take the touchback. Looking for a productive getaway and deny the score. After the incompletion, they're facing a 2nd and 10 from the 25. Got it in the middle.
Alright, what's that, 5? Yeah, 5 yards. Okay. Halfback stretch. Might be able to pick up something here.
I put him in the slot. I let him get a good
Kinda like
matchup. They're so quick.
flipping it here,
Get
though.
their hands on them. They make plays, and I feed them the football. These are guys that have a lot of catches throughout the
And
season.
They bring him down.
just not
He's gonna
blocks.
lose a
It's
yard
not
on
be
that
really
one.
plenty blocks there.
Going for it on 4th down must be part of their philosophy. Just 1 for 3 so far in this one. Unloads to the wideout.
Boom! Come on now. 2 for 4 on 4th down, sir.
Not much of a 4th down gamble when it's that much of a sure thing. An easy conversion for this offense. Defense is backed up.
Oh, direct
Shadow
snap.
of the goalpost,
Okay.
trying to defend their own end zone. He's got it down to the 1-yard
Hey, not
line,
bad.
right on the doorstep of Pater.
3 yards off that.
As they get
Okay.
set to snap it, just about to reach the end of the quarter. The give.
Bannister, come on now. Come on now, boy. Come on, that's my boy Bannister right there. You already know, getting check it right here, cuz.
Sledgehammer of a drive, just taking the air out of the ball.
And it's hard when you run that many plays not to make a mistake and throw an interception or get penalties and put you in a bad spot. But the offense just strung play after play after play together.
Nice. Tied it back up. If we can get a stop, we can win.
Good. And we're all square as he's set to kick it away. And they desperately wanted to attempt a return, but decided not to. Instead, they'll take the touchback. Just enough time for one more snap before the end of the quarter. The give to the running back from the shotgun.
What the flip?
And as they get him to the ground, clock running, looks at it, and he's got 4, and he's down at the 12. Boy, they'd love to move the sticks here and take a shot at it on 1st and goal.
Bro, balance is
To
crazy.
the air, it's Fenley.
What
He's
the
right on
flip?
target. And he's knocked down immediately, but no moves the chains. And the offense is so close to the go-ahead score, they can smell it here in the 4th quarter.
Just let him have it. I mean, I didn't want to let him have it, but at least it gives us time to score.
Here in the 4th.
Wow, the Indianapolis offense, they have a lot of faith in this running back, knowing if they get down into this area of the field, he can get it done and he can answer the bell. 2 rushing touchdowns already for this offense.
Lining up to tack one more onto that lead.
Oh, we almost had a blocked kick, bro.
They're up by a touchdown and an extra point. We check in with Kevin Connors. What's going on, Kevin?
Fellas, I think at least a portion of your audience will have an interest in the one that just finished up. Minnesota was able to come away with the victory, but it was not the type of dominant win we've seen from the Gophers over the years.
What do you mean? The Gophers suck. I'm from Minnesota. I would know that.
Looking to go up top on first down. He wants to go deep.
Jeez, he said no.
And it slips through his fingers, incomplete. That would have been
Slipped his fingers? The nigga got rocked. What you talking about?
Missing the connection last time. It's 2nd and 10 from the 22. After the incompletion, back to the passing game. And they
Third
can't
down.
hook
Okay,
up, going
okay,
for the
okay.
big play on 2nd down. Now it's 3rd
All
down.
right.
It's great for this quarterback to take shots down the field.
This might be stupid. It definitely is stupid. We're gonna do a sweep with Barry.
Understanding the situation. Now I'm on defense, right? If they're going to take shots down the field, maybe I'm a little bit.
Okay, maybe it wasn't stupid. Barry all the way.
Lean for the wire. Touchdown.
We're going for 2. We're going for 2, cuz. I know it ain't smart, but we do it because we do it.
Looking to throw. Extending the play.
Shit.
And that one
Sorry for
is
saying.
picked off in the end zone.
Well, now we're down by 3. Oh, Barry or Smith.
At the 30. Past the 10.
Well, yeah,
He
as I
took
thought,
that
not smart,
baby
but
all the way to the house.
bro, what the husky?
As it were. Almost ready to kick it away after scoring the touchdown. From inside the 10, here he comes. Couldn't find a way.
Oh, man. Oh, you're not smart.
Here comes the Western Kentucky offense back onto the field. How
We need a pick
about that
or a
blocking
fumble.
up
Come on.
front in that running game last time as they just walked it down for a
Okay,
touchdown, David?
keep on doing that right there. We're running zone blitz because if we don't run zone blitz, it's gonna be very. The zone blitz, we can still be ready for the pass.
And we know that this is the identity this coaching staff wants for this team, right? They want to be the most physical team on the field. Let's see if they can keep it up.
Nice, big sack right there. Come on. Woo. That's what we like to see.
I know this defense feels like they missed some opportunities. Yeah, they had 2 sacks their last game out, but they feel like they left a bunch more out on the field. They wanted to try to
Run that
get
same
to the
play.
quarterback
Foxfire zone
this
press.
game. That was
Foxfire
finally
zone press
the
is looking
first
nice.
time they registered a sack so far here. Curious to see how this pass rush looks the rest of the way.
Wide receiver coming across in motion. The give and tick, 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 tick. And he's not going to get there. The defense stands tall.
That was scary. I thought. I don't even. Oh man, that was scary.
This will be the second
It's
time
crazy
they've
that
had
they
to
just
kick it away. Kicks it high and it's just
had to run it.
hanging there as if it has helium in it and floating down.
Just hanging there as if it has helium in it. Okay, we got all 3 timeouts. And we got Barry on a jet sweep again because it worked so well last time.
They'll go to the jet sweep to try to get the edge here.
And it works again. Come on, Barry.
Take the afterburners, kid.
Woo!
Saunters into
I
the end
did.
zone for a touchdown.
Barry with another one. He's got 2 carries or 3 carries for 143 rushing yards. He's got 258 receiving yards and 4 tutties. That man right there might get National Offensive Player of the Week.
And the extra point is good, and every point counts. It's now a 4-point lead in the 4th. Lining up to cover the kick after that touchdown drive. He'll start the return inside his 5. He was
All right,
looking
nice.
for something a little more dynamic, but they get him on. The Hilltoppers have it with a 1st and 10. From the red zone, looking for a receiver.
Yes, he overthrew.
Made the grab as he was going for 6
Going
right
back to
there.
that zone blitz, spot,
This really
spire,
has been a
zone press.
masterclass by the quarterback in
Okay, cool.
decision-making, right? We've already seen him throw multiple touchdown passes in the game. He's understood when to take his shots and when to throw it away when things aren't there, like on that last play.
This time on target. He gets
One more timeout. They only got one more timeout. Okay.
A terrific catch and run before he stopped. Offense will use a timeout with 28 ticks remaining. The snap sets up the throw.
Nice, nice,
And it's
nice.
incomplete. It was wild, high and wide on that one. They'll try to dial up a better one this time on 2nd and goal from the 5. They'll run it left, looking for the
Nice
end zone
tackle.
here.
Come on.
By the offense clock stop it with 21 seconds left. If they can pay off this 3rd and goal with a touchdown, it might be getting a little tough to swallow over there on the other side.
Nice job.
And that one is
Defense
right on
is locked
target if
in.
his target was the first row. Down in the final period in a tight game, and they will go for it on 4th and goal. To the air, it's Fenley. They're trying to get to it.
Big sack.
And he's
Come on, that's it right there.
play on 4th down to stop.
Boom, I didn't even know it was 4th down.
A first down
What
for the
is
offense.
up? That's a dub.
Running back searching for a hole. And he found plenty of running room on that one before the defense was finally able to get him down. First down here for the offense. He
One more,
wants to
just for
throw.
fun.
Looking for a deep man.
Boom, that's the
One last
dub.
incompletion, and
That was a
do it.
close one, man.
When we get to
Jeez,
the
that was
offseason and they
close.
start having coaching clinics, they're going to roll this game tape back to show both offenses.
Dial it up and let it run. I mean, that's essentially what we saw in this game. It didn't
Yeah,
matter
I'm
what
very-
other offensive coordinator was
Jeez,
calling.
yeah, again.
Everything
Okay.
seemed to work through throwing the football.
He's
in
only freshman. He's
intermediate
gonna have this
passing
boy around
game,
for a minute.
The RPOs, the run game, David. This was just clinical offensive football.
And offenses have evolved so much. They can do so many different things, and they know how to use their playmakers, get speed and space, make those big plays. So that's why offenses are ahead of defenses in this game. It was no different.
So that's going to do it for us. For Jesse Palmer, David Pollack, I'm Reese Davis saying so long. This has been
Well, close one, but we came out with the dub, so that's what's up. Only 10 hours? Yeah, I don't really need to do that then. But we got a lot of coaching points, so let's go ahead and upgrade our coaching skills. Do that. Do that. And go ahead and lock tactician while we're at it. But yep, got recruiter and all the other two now, so that's what's up. All right, next week. Hey, what? How did you, bro? What for 2 tackles? Okay. Ivan Berry. Whew, that man went off. Yep, there it is. National Offensive Player of the Week. Come on, stop playing with him. Ivan Berry was like that. Come on now. Five tackles and 4 sacks is pretty good, but like, did he get? Was he like Ivan Berry good though? Good, like, come on now, good. 258 receiving yards, 143 rushing yards, 2 receiving touchdowns, and 2 rushing touchdowns. What a game by Ivan Berry. That's crazy. I think this is where I'm going to call it. So, yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.